और हमें अपडेट दे रही है क्योंकि इसको सारी यूनिवर्सिटी की अपडेट पता होती है। इवन तो हम लोग सबसे अपडेट वाले लोग हैं हमारे बैच में, बट बख्तावर हमसे भी आगे।
मैं इनकी सीनियर हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा
शक्ल बड़ी सीनियर वाली नहीं लगती लेकिन है ये।
Yes, spill the beans, please spill them. Cut. Subah we went out for coffee. I didn't film. We had a really long day yesterday. और उसके बाद से सारी एनर्जी खत्म हो गई है। It's a beautiful day today. Yes.
The one time that we do our work, we end up looking like stupid people.
It's Tuesday. 9 बजे से पहले I have cried. I had a weird panic attack while driving and then we chilled and then we thought we were okay. We came to the class and we're not okay.
We're not okay. Life has been treating us like shit. Like we don't even do anything to deserve all of that. Like what do we even do? Long distance do really be.
Hibba does exactly do things like that, man. Long distance siblings really super hard.
I know.
Tell her I said hi.
He is eating.
Okay, Hibba is so mad. I'm so glad that 2 classes नहीं है because you would have lost your mind.
Lost my mind, exactly.
Yeah. We really thought हम लोग इस वीकेंड अगर काम करेंगे तो हमारा काम थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा and next weekend हम लोग अपने अलग कोर्सेज पे फोकस कर सकेंगे, but ना
हम कोई चीज सही करने के लिए जाएंगे ना, नहीं होती वो सही। हमारी इंटेंशन भी अच्छी,
हमने तुझ
कलियां मांगी,
हाथ तो दिखा।
In my shirt, we want these pink flowers, but what we end up getting is these black tree की जो bark होती है ना, ugly, वो मिलती है। बोलते हैं कि जो जैसा seed
बोता है, जो बोते हो वो निकालते हो,
वो पाते हो। जो बोया वो पाया,
जो बोया वो सोया,
जो सोया वो खोया। हमारी नींद इतनी खराब थी, हमने इतना काम किया था, हमारे आंखों के नीचे पर्पल और ब्लू वो हो गया था हमारे आई बैग्स।
और मैंने लेजी आया था वैसे बंद होती है। I was like बंद।
She was like Carney.
Thanks.
People, how much effort we put into our work, and then we came university and sir is like, ये सब कुछ change होगा for the whole class. Like अब daylight में shoot करो। Can you just say something? Are you not mad?
I am really mad.
She's the kind of person who just never takes out her anger. Like वो बोल के नहीं निकालेगी, ये हरकतें करेगी जिससे इसका एंगर नजर आएगा। पर मैं बोलूंगी भी, मैं हरकतें भी करूंगी।
सर को बोले जाएगी ना,
लिटरली यूनिवर्सिटी की ट्री भी अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी मुझे, दरख्त भी नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था यूनिवर्सिटी में। जो एक दरख्त है हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में। गाइस दुआओं में याद रखना यार।
I feel like we shouldn't take shit so seriously, so
yeah, I think we should relax, go home.
You think?
एक कोर्स की वजह से हम सब रुइन नहीं कर सकते।
ये बोले जा रही है बट एक कोर्स की वजह से सुबह से मैं इसको बर्दाश्त कर रही हूँ और मेरी अब दूसरी क्लास है। Hi, we're back here. The day is ending on a lot better note than it started on. I'm gonna put this in.
It's okay.
Okay.
This is literally straight out of the oven because ये गर्मी में पड़ा था, उसकी चौके भी मैंने टोके।
Okay, but don't talk in my ear with food in your mouth. How does her family deal with her? No wonder they sent you out. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. We had a quiz today. I failed. And I got 1 mark. And from the thing that I just did in 10 seconds of what Kinza taught me. मैंने इसको सिखाया। I literally stayed because मेरी दूसरी क्लास नहीं थी and I had to go home because मैं सुबह 5 बजे की उठी हूँ, तो अब तक मैं घर जाके सो जाऊंगी। But I stayed for this mother and child literally 1 महीने बाद मिल रहे हैं हम लोग, literally
1 महीने बाद, 1 महीने बहुत बड़ी बात है।
now हम लोग असद ने 1 महीने जो जो मिस आउट किया, we're giving him tea and let's start. बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं। अब इंग्लिश की क्लास में प्रेजेंटेशन है एंड लाइक दिस इज अ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्लास, तो अब हम लोग यूज्ड टू हो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के, अब सर प्रेजेंटेशन लेने शुरू हो गए, लाइक प्रॉपर लाइक पीपीटी फकिंग शिट। आल्सो हिबा इज सो रूड, शी इज लीविंग मी।
हेलो,
शी इज गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू देके वापस यूनिवर्सिटी आएगी।
I might.
I know sir will miss me, so I just.
Yeah, he'll miss his sophist student.
I'm not a sophist, and you can stop saying that now.
I cannot. Bye, good luck. Get the job, get the bag. Jaldi se ameer ho jaओ yaar, I really need stuff. Okay, now it's just me. Then I'm just going to read and I'm just going to stay in my car because I refuse to go inside, bro. I refuse to sit in the university. Tuba aayegi, so I'll probably hang out with her. Hey guys, I just came back from my Thursday class. Thursday को English की class होती है and today I had the sweetest class ever. My English sir, I love him so much. और उस class में बातें करने में इतना मज़ा आता है because you're always just having such intellectual and in-depth talks and मैं उसके बारे में भी बताती हूँ।
रिमोट बज रहा है केटल में, सुबह से वापस मैं सो रहा हूँ बंदी के चूचे पे, उसको है दिक्कत नहीं कमरे के धुएं से।
Happy Friday! पता है क्या करने हैं हम लोग? मैनिक्योर करवाने आए हैं, मैनी।
Especially me.
So I showed up to the salon with my old nails on क्योंकि मैंने press-ons लगाए हुए हैं, so now I'm gonna take these off. Look. And then I'm gonna get a manicure. Hiba's here. Hi.
Hi.
The salon had no light in Pakistani things. मैंने पाकिस्तान से तो नहीं किया है।
अच्छा नहीं करवाया कभी पाकिस्तान में? Nails done. अब शाम हो गई है, रात हो गई, so I have to go to this दावत और हिब्बा अपने घर जाएगी, फिर रात को we will circle back और हिब्बा वापस मेरे घर आएगी and we're gonna do assignment.
We do so much just to get a few marks.
Oh yeah, Ryan is over there too, he's dead. मैंने कहा था कि मैं इंग्लिश की क्लास की स्टोरी कल सुनाऊंगी, but hectic as shit weekends, bro. My weekends have just been crazy. मैं इंग्लिश की क्लास में जाती because I really wanted to see your reaction. Basically क्या हुआ, एक लड़का है ना, वो मोहम्मद अली नहीं है, बॉक्सर. So he was like giving a speech and then तो उससे metaphors की बात आ गई. सर ने ब्रेक दे दी तो फिर मैं और तूबा बाहर गए. तो हिब्बा नहीं थी क्लास में because
I went for an interview.
yeah. Sir made the class pray for you.
Really?
Yeah, because I told him that you have an interview and then he was just like, oh, let's all pray that she gets a job. And
Oh my god!
yeah, he's just the sweetest.
He's amazing.
ब्रेक से बाहर आया ना तो सर ने मुझे और तुबा को 5 वर्ड्स दिए: लाइट हाउस, फीनिक्स, टेम्पेस्ट, स्टारलाइट एंड एको. And then he was just like, pick one from them, right? So I picked Starlight and Tempest. And then Sir was just like, okay. And then he just like went into depth and he was just like, you did pick that, but Tempest का मतलब ये था जैसे तूफान, temper आपका high होता है and you're just like strongly opinionated, strongly emotional और ये वो. And then he was just like, maybe in a way you are like that, but I wouldn't describe you as a tufan.
Yeah.
So, I would describe you, oh my god, he said, And then he's like, you might be an echo because like you hear everything, you accept everything, and then you give it back into the world without really accepting it yourself, like without really thinking about it, without really taking it in. And I was just like, whoa, this has turned into a therapy session now.
Wow.
Yeah, it was crazy. And then he's just like, but you also a starlight. Oh my god. And he was just like, because आप like, because class में क्या होता है जब presentation होती है लोग भी हमें देखते हैं हमेशा. So he's just like, you make people feel confident about themselves. कोई भी speech दे रहा होता है, you're always nodding, you're always listening. And then he was just like, it's because like they always look for you, like whenever it's dark or whenever it's thing, they always look for you. And I know, it was just so sweet. And he was just like, the पूरी class में पूरा वक्त he was just like, जब भी कोई present करने आता है, he would just be like, देखें, she was looking at you, you are the starlight. And I was just like, I cannot believe I got called a starlight. This is the sweetest thing ever.
Oh, I
Like,
don't think anybody has ever called you a starlight before, have they?
no,
Yeah.
why? Like no one's. हमारी जिंदगी में कोई इतना woke है ही नहीं कि हमें starlight बोले. Deep, like you really have
Pure
to.
word to tell.
Yeah,
It's so
call
pure,
someone.
yeah.
Like you really have to know a person to be able to connect them with starlight.
Although he doesn't know us like really personally, he doesn't know
Yeah.
everything about us, but whenever we just talk and sit in the
He
class,
listens.
he listens, he takes everything in, and then he
Yeah.
gives such good energy out.
मतलब जवाब देने से पहले he thinks so
so
much,
much.
and then वो quotes बोलते हैं, and then he told me a book to read and then everything, and then he called Tuba a phoenix because you know phoenix rises from the ashes, and just it was amazing. I can't believe I got called an echo and a phoenix and a starlight, and it literally just made my day. Like I was telling her, because like last week emotionally मेरा last week बहुत messed up था, like I was so messed up, but like that Thursday it just made me feel so much better. और मेरी presentation भी थी उस दिन, which I did really well into.
Yeah.
So मेरा like confidence build हो गया था. He just fixed me basically.
Yeah.
And
Remember the last week I was just like that, and then that Thursday class happened, and I
And then
felt so much
like
better.
light.
Yeah, so
talking
much
to
light.
him, even though हम लोग class में बात करते हैं, we are always just talking about English की चीजें, like
Yeah.
presentation, speeches, ये विषय वो, पर उनसे बात करके इतना हल्का, इतना अच्छा लगता है.
It's like you're not talking about the real issues, but you're really talking
You
about whatever you
are.
feel, what is in your mind.
He talks about religion, he talks about women issues, he
Yeah.
talks about like gay people issues, he talks about everything with such an open mind.
Open
Like
mind,
there's so
yeah.
much clarity.
He never makes us feel like, oh, हमने क्या बोल दिया ये?
opinion आपका गलत
Yeah,
है.
he always accepts everything.
Everything and everyone.
Mashallah,
Mashallah.
he's so nice. These are the kind of teachers that
Yeah.
you remember for the rest of your life.
जब मेरी presentation थी ना, and then before getting up I was like, you know, for what it's worth, I would love to have you as a teacher again. Like E2 नहीं पढ़ा रहे तो कुछ भी आप
कुछ भी
पढ़ाओ.
पढ़ा दें, yeah.
I think he's one of the best teachers in university we've had.
True.
मुर्तजा खालिक अच्छे थे, बिलाल हसन अच्छे थे, ये दोनों अपने पढ़ाने के तरीके में अच्छे थे. मतलब ये स्टूडेंट्स को समझते थे,
Yeah.
इनके पढ़ाने का स्टाइल ऐसा था कि आप सब समझ, you didn't feel weird
Yeah.
in their classes. तो ये दोनों टीचर्स भी अच्छे हैं, बट जो जावेद अली का like वो है ना, like
His
समझने का
personality, he is good on a personal level.
Personal
Like, I don't know how to describe
He
it.
is
He's
just so woke, so amazing.
he's the kind of teacher that you would need
in a hard time.
in a hard time.
And I pray so much for him.
Like whenever मेरे दिमाग में उनका नाम आता है सिर्फ दुआ ही है.
Honestly, not going to lie, like उनकी first class was so boring.
Yeah, we thought यार English 2 में क्या पढ़ेंगे, तो सब
एंड उनकी 3
speeches
घंटे की
हैं,
क्लास होती है, हमारी
ये
बाकी
है,
क्लासेस
वो है.
हाँ बाकी क्लासेस हमारी छोटे टाइम की होती हैं. सो यू लाइक 3 घंटे इनको बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा. बट नाउ आई वेट फॉर हिज क्लास. आई
Yeah,
वेट
like पूरा वीक हमारा मंडे से शुरू होता है, and we just wait कि Thursday English 2 की क्लास होगी. It's gonna be so much
It's gonna
fun. We're
be
gonna
fun.
talk. Honestly, he has made public speaking so much more better than. Oh my god.
Like मैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कभी भी नहीं कर सकती थी,
Yeah.
पर उनकी क्लास में
she really like, you know, I could see the change.
I just hope he knows that we appreciate him even if no one else.
But I really want to get like keep myself in touch with him.
I was gonna say that I really hope कि like जब E2 खत्म हो जाए हम लोग फिर भी
हाँ,
उनसे
उनसे टच में नहीं. I don't think मैं कभी भी उनको hit up करने से पहले सोचूंगी कि you know
कभी
should I
भी
text him
नहीं.
or no?
Yeah.
I'll just text him.
You
And I know
yeah.
he's gonna be there for me.
He really will be. Khair, yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. Have a weekend.